exciting day at Brent Breaking Boxes. Oh, don't play with knives. UPS just came. I did my I'm getting cards UPS dance. So oh, I have another. I actually got 5 boxes the other day, but I opened them all, so sorry about that. I'll have to show the cards I got. But I was going to start with this Prime Signature. Find one autograph card per box. It's got Andrew Luck on the front. And 6 NFL trading cards, so it's not very big. I bought these from David Adams Card World. These were all on sale, so they were like 70% off, so I just bought the boxes that were on sale. Oh, it's only one. Like that. So these must be kind of high-end cards. I don't know. High-end for me. Ooh. Wow, they're thick. Le'Veon Bell. They're a pretty thick card. LaShawn McCoy. Looks like an artist proof. Devin Funchess. Played at Michigan. It's numbered on there. Wow, this is a really cool Sightlines. Marcus Mariota. Really cool looking card. Wow. I hope he starts rookie signature cuts. It's got memorabilia and Laquan Treadwell and his piece of jersey on there. And it's numbered. And Jordan Matthews. I wish I kind of got a different rookie, but I mean, he was a top pick. It just he didn't get to really play that much last year from Minnesota. So hopefully he starts playing well and his cards go up, since I got this nice rookie card now. So that's it for number 1, and we got some more to come. All right.